Give you guys a quick update on the 66. So we're not far, just doing the sheet metal. We're not in a crazy rush or hurry for this one. As you know, we got the 03 Cobra. The motors, just got the motor back from the machine shop. So this one's just getting the final metal work done, and then it's gonna go off to sandblast, hit the last hard to get places, and then we're gonna undo the bottom side of it and then get it painted, and it'll go back this yellow color. So
springtime yellow.
yeah, that's what it's called, springtime yellow. I tried talking them into a brighter yellow, but
It's not my car.
it's not mine either. It's actually my dad's. We're just getting it
If it was to
going.
be that color, it'd be springtime yellow.
Yeah, I don't blame you. Kind of the era you grew up in, and us punk kids were in a different era. We want to put 20s and make it sound horrible, and big sound systems and whatever else. And so, but anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update on this car while I was here at Gary's doing some final touches on his. And then, yeah, as soon as we're done with paint and body, it'll go back and we'll throw it together. We have a 302 out of an Explorer, has the GT40 heads, and yeah, I think it's just the short block. I moved it around the other day. We have heads are done, ready to go on. The block's been done and gone through new bearings and board and new rings and bearings, and has a E303 cam and GT40 heads, and then Ford Racing lower intake, and then carburetor, electronic carburetor that we're putting on it with the fuel management system. So it'll be like kind of almost like a retro mod. It'll be just more of a cruiser, more of a jump in, good reliable, good handling, good stopping, got big brakes and stuff for it. But just more of a cruiser, take the grandkids out. So, but anyway, yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update real quick. I don't know what you guys think in the comments. What would you do if this was yours? Let me know.
These holes are all broke out.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes they get that way. We bought these plates, and then I used metal bonder and put it on the inside. They're made to go on the outside, but then you got that square plate. But anyway, I put them on the inside.
Is it already on there?
Oh yeah, it's in there.
Oh yeah, you can see the double layer.
Yeah, I had to drill some holes for sheet metal screws, and I'll have to fill those with some metal bonder and sand them.
I just went through this stuff.
See, that's textured. That metal's textured. If you put them on the outside, then it,
Doesn't work.
well, it just show. It looked like you put a plate on there.
Nice. And that other one's already done?
It wasn't. It was okay.
Oh, it was just this one side.
This is the one that we broke out.
Cool.
So
So,
the other door's right here. It's been block sanded. I need to reprime it.
wow,
And
yeah.
then it'll be ready. Sand it one more time. Be ready to paint.
Sweet. Yeah, that looks good.
Anyway, here's it.
So tell me, explain what we're doing with the pillar.
Oh, well,
Why we had to cut the pillar off.
the cowl vent
Yeah.
and the heater vent underneath the vent panel was rusted out. So that's the only way you can do that. You just cut them out and you have to put new panels in.
Yeah, so we did the passenger side's already done, so
Yeah.
we had to replace this cowl panel
Uh-huh.
right here,
And then this one.
which rusts out.
Here's this side.
So and then there's
It
the
goes
new
in.
one for that side,
Yeah.
for the driver's side. Nice. So they rust out, and then they end up then they end up rusting this panel out, and the only way to get that panel out really is
Yeah,
to cut it here, cut it down here.
Pull it out and this is what you get.
Yeah. So this side's been already replaced and done, and
Right.
all welded in. We just got to do a little finish work, but we'll walk over to the other side and we'll show you where it used to be. So cut it here. Kind of makes everything flimsy. Cut out the cow, which side will just sit right up on top.
Yeah, it's all pre-drilled, so that it'll line right up. So I got the sheet metal screws put in it.
So what happens is a lot of times water will sit right up here around this cowl.
Yeah, it just rusts away, and that's what happens. And then
Rusts
it
away,
leaks.
yeah, and then it leaks down that other
then
panel.
it rusts the floor out.
Yep, which we've already put a panel in.
Right.
So we're this far, might as well do it right?
Yeah.
So anyway, it's a little bit of work, a lot of cutting, a lot of
Metal work.
metal work, and these pinch welds and getting them cut out. And then we did both quarters, and then they're pretty much done, ready for primer.
They've been replaced. They've been block sanded once. I gotta reprime them. The tail light or the tail panel.
Yeah, you did.
I straightened it.
Yeah, it was a little rough. And then there's this rubber sealant that's back here in the trunk. We're gonna, as soon as you get the pillar finished, we're gonna take this over, get it sandblasted out the back, get all this rubber crap out of here, and then we'll put a new fuel tank and all that stuff on here. And here's the other side. And then you saw the passenger door, and then the whole pillar all back in and welded in and looking nice. A little bit of cleanup work's all we need to do there. But yeah, we're pretty close on getting this one to paint. So just gotta get this panel welded in, and then this other one is sitting over here on the workbench. Yeah, get the hinge pillar welded in. There's the new panel.
Yeah. Flip it over so you can see.
So everything's all pre-drilled and got some set screws in there.
Yep.
Hold it all together. So that's what Gary had to do to this one.
Only worse.
And then some.
Yeah.
He's just about finished with this car. Just a few more, teeny odds and ends. And as soon as we get it done, we'll get it out in the sun, and we'll do a good walk around, show you everything. But he's done an amazing job on this car. He's got what, 700 miles on it now.
Yeah.
He's been driving it all spring. Every day it's not raining or stormy, he's driving the neighborhoods. So we just hooked up all his heater controls. This way we don't have we took out the glove box for his heater controls, and then I got the rear seat in. The panels all done. The
inside of the trunk.
Convertible top, looking fly. Nice and white, scared to even look at it.